Howdy, y'all. Welcome back. It's a taste test day. We've got some Mountain Dew, which isn't normally a big deal, but this is flaming hot Mountain Dew, and gotta try it. Now, I hardly drink sody pops, Coca-Colas, uh, soft drinks, whatever you happen to call them in your neck of the woods. Um, stopped over 20 years ago, except an occasional one here or there like this. And believe it or not, when I quit, my eyesight improved pretty quickly. All that sugar and stuff does things to your body. Um, I'd switched originally to sweet tea and then to unsweet tea, and now I may mix a little sweet with unsweet. Yes, Raja, thank you for showing. Ow! Thank you for showing the internet your butt. Anyway, that's my lecture on soda. Um, Blast of heat and citrus. I gotta try. I gotta know. Got to know. Um, it sounded interesting. You don't drink soda. This is Raja the Wonder Cat. If you haven't seen her in the video yet, she's stepping up to fill in for Raja the Wonder Dog. Yes, I love you too. I guess she's the official co-host. Yes. Okay. That's smells like sugar water. There's people doing things on a hill behind me. Sorry. Tastes like Mountain Dew-ish. A little citrus Mountain Dew. Yep. Yes, Casey, I love you too. Don't bite my fingers. That's overstimulation. When they get so happy they got a nibble. I don't know about flaming hot. There's a little bit of heat that gives it a little bit of heat, I guess. It's more of a mouth feel on the back of your throat. Their idea of flaming hot is not the same as mine. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, sugar, natural flavors, citric acid, gum arabic, sodium benzoate, caffeine, sodium, yeah, blah, 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 ester of rosin. Uh, so there's nothing actually hot in here except maybe the ester of rosin. No, you don't drink soda. Yeah, man, that's a lot of sugar. Um, take one or two more sips and then I've reached my sugar limit for the day and tomorrow. Yeah, it's not that hot, but 73 grams of sugar, man. That's 145% of your daily allowance. 148%. 6%. Okay, maybe I need reading glasses or something. 74 grams of carbs. That's a crap load of sugar. Um, and that's pretty much what I'm tasting, sugar water. I don't know what's supposedly hot in there. Anyway, it's Mountain Dew. That's my official opinion. So that's it. Raja, do you have anything to add? No, she's busy grooming. That's very important if you're a cat. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!